Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop, Crystal Lake, Illinois, bringing you a pretty quick video. Today, some of you may be wondering, will the Rabaconda tire changer, the street tire changer, change out a GS tire? Well, we're going to find out today. Let's have a look. This is the rear tire on the GS. It's going to be the same procedure on the front tire. Alright, we just got to flip it over and break the bead on the other side. Alright, bring the duck head in. This is the duck head that goes for the GS. It's the larger size. There we go. Alright, we got to put a strap on this thing to it doesn't rotate around. Alright, need to roll the bead out. Go. Go. Yes, it can.